In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Canva website into your Wix site, allowing your visitors to interact with your content directly. If you've been looking to display your creative Canva designs directly on your Wix site, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and explore the simplicity of this process. First, you'll want to start by getting the embed code from Canva. Head over to your published Canva website. Once you're there, look for the Share button, usually found in a prominent spot for easy access. Click on this button and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the More option, which will give you additional sharing capabilities. In these options, look for Embed. Clicking Embed will promptly provide you with an HTML embed code for your design. This is essential because it's the bridge that connects your Canva design to your Wix site. Once you click to get the embed code, a Copy button will appear. Click on it to copy this HTML code to your clipboard. Now, let's switch over to Wix. Start by opening your Wix site in the Wix editor. This is where you can add new elements and customize your site's appearance. On the left side of your screen, you will notice the plus Add button. Click it. This button is your gateway to adding various content types to your site. Once you click on Add, you will see different options. You'll want to click on Embed. Here, you'll have a choice between embedding a widget or a general HTML element. Both options will work, but for this purpose, you'll select either Embed a widget or Embed HTML. Each option will present you with a box where you can paste your copied code. With your cursor in the provided iframe or HTML box, paste the code you copied from Canva. This is the critical step where your Canva design is effectively linked to your Wix site. The magic happens here, so make sure that everything is correctly pasted into this box. Once the code is in place, it's time to make a few adjustments. You'll want to resize the embed box to fit your site's layout. You can do this by dragging the edges of the box to get the dimensions just right. This enables your Canva content to display correctly and ensures a seamless user experience. After resizing, take a moment to save and preview your site. This will show you how the embedded Canva content looks and lets you make any final tweaks. Finally, when you're satisfied with the arrangement and appearance, go ahead and publish your Wix site. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded your Canva content, creating an interactive experience for your visitors directly within your Wix website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.